This is reverse sneezing. It happens because the dog's trachea slightly collapses, which reduces airflow, causing the dog to make those rapid inhaling sounds. You can help by closing one of the nostrils and gently closing their mouth. This can relieve the reverse sneezing. It could be triggered by excitement, dust allergies, or temperature changes. If it's occasional, there's no need to worry. This is coughing, which is common with tracheal, bronchial, and lung issues. If the cough sounds like the one in the video, it's likely kennel cough. If you notice this, make sure to keep your dog away from other dogs to prevent spreading it and get them treated. Don't worry, usually, with 10 to 14 days of rest, your dog will recover. This is vomiting. If your dog's belly contracts, their head lowers, and they extend their tongue before vomiting, it's likely they're throwing up. There are many causes for this, but you can follow Pen to help. Let's work together to support your dog's immune system and digestive health.